Jenbacher gas engines are spark-ignited 4-stroke engines. Let's look at each stroke in detail. During the intake stroke, the inlet valve is opened and the piston moves downwards, sucking the air-gas mixture into the combustion chamber. As the piston reaches its lowest position, the inlet valve closes and the compression stroke starts. The piston then travels upwards, compressing the mixture. Shortly before the piston reaches its highest position, a spark plug ignites the mixture and the power stroke begins. The fuel is combusted, releasing heat and pressure, which pushes down on the piston and turns the crankshaft. The exhaust valve is then opened and the combusted gases are pushed out as the piston travels upwards during the exhaust stroke. For each cylinder completing the 4 strokes, the crankshaft makes 2 complete turns. And multiple cylinders working together in sequence increase the engine's power output.